People consider one where they happen now. As we dey talk now, one Mr. Chidi don't come outside. Call attack Simon Ekpa for inside the live stream where they do. May everybody call ask question. I want you to watch this video before we come back and continue.
CK, Dr. Chidi, you're next.
Thank you, Rudolph. How are you, Simon?
I'm very good.
You blocked me. I'm glad we finally have an opportunity to talk one-on-one.
I blocked you because you were calling Finland.
This is my time now.
As you can
Dr.
see,
Rudolph, I guess you need
Finland,
to control this thing. If I'm on your show, so I expect you to moderate very well.
So we try to, the guest is the guest. So he's the guest for today. So go ahead.
Doesn't make sense. That's just what I'm asking. So when I'm talking, you should let me talk. And then when he's talking, I'll let him talk.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you. So you blocked me when I was asking you about the people that told me that you duped them. That's a story for another day. I'm glad that we have this opportunity to talk to each other one-on-one. The most painful thing about this madness of yours is just the lives
Rudolph, if he's here to ask question, he can ask questions.
The lives that I'm
to address me as madness of yours, please.
You're a crazy man. The only thing is the lives that you're losing, the lives that are lost as a result of your actions. That is what is bothering me. What you have caused for Ebonyi people, your brothers, sisters of Ebonyi state in particular, who are murdered here now and then, and other young boys. My friend, let me finish talking now. This is your madness. Let me finish.
Like that, please.
You're a stupid man.
One
day,
Doctor, all right. Dr. Che, they have to talk to respectfully, please.
Yeah.
They are not here to fight, please.
Hold on. Who is speaking? Please don't speak. I'm the one running.
This case is talking.
No, it's not.
Let him. He should be cultured now. Why would he be talking to someone like that?
You know how many people that are killed because of what this stupid man is doing? One day all this will
be over.
You know
it. Do you have any proof? Do you have any proof of that?
You don't have any evidence.
Down there in Finland.
Shut up your mouth. Don't accuse anybody for what you don't know.
All right. I'm sorry, guys. This is not good. I don't entertain people who are not moderating, trying to help the moderator. We have a guest and we want to respect our guest, whatever you think about him. And there are some languages we don't encourage. You can ask a question, any question you want, but you don't have to use words like stupid, and it's not acceptable. Not on this platform. I know that in the past people have, so I will bring back Chidi, but I will make sure Chidi make sure that just give us your question, whatever question you want to ask. People should not use those kind of languages. But before I bring back Chidi, let me go to Annie Zubike. You're next.
Dr. Grievous, sir. My PM, Obatod.
You are not talking, or is muted.
Yeah, Annie, we can hear you.
Dr. Grievous, sir.
Okay.
My PM, Grievous, sir. I salute you.
Waiting.
I from homeland, Ebonyi State. Oshago precisely, Umuzakambo. All of us are here what he is doing, and we are appreciating you very well. Don't mind whatever they say. We people in homeland know what is going on. Forget those who are in abroad who don't know what is going on in our homeland. We people in homeland who know what is going on. Forget whatever they know, whatever they talk rubbish. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Education.
All right, Annie, thank you so much. Let's go to Revolution. You're next.
Yes, I don't know if you hear me, Doctor.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, good evening one more time, and Samuel Ekpa, well done, sir.
Greetings.
You can see the underlining of my name, Revolution. I always support anybody who is trying to help Nigeria, because that country has been brought to nonsense. People are just fooling themselves. And I want to say I'll be in Finland on the 2nd of December. I live in Sweden here. So anybody supporting anything that will bring sanity into that country, I'm behind you, and you can see.
Great.
You can look at it very well. It's not just talking. So I was just listening, but today you have pledged so many things. I know some people are saying sit at home is causing this and that, but there's no freedom without bloodshed.
Yes.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you, Revolution. I'll go back to Chidi. So Chidi, Dr. Chidi, please go straight to your question.
My brother, the reason why I came on is because I don't even know, out of respect for you, Rudolph, because I invited Simon to my platform. We had an interview, but when all these things, when things started going south, and I'm going to try to control my language out of respect for your platform. But when he derailed, as I think he did, we never got an opportunity to have to address him. So all I'll say in a few seconds is that I feel sorry for what the struggle has come to and what I believe he has made the struggle. And I just pray that one day we will all wake up and this nightmare of Simon Ekpa will be over. I just plead for Biafrans to just be. It's a very sorrowful thing. It's a very mournful thing with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in prison, a lot of our people dying every day. I'm just hoping that one day all this will be sorted out and this madness will be over. Thank you for having me, Rudolph. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Chidi.
All right, let me also address what he said and make a comment. I hope that one day when Biafra has been restored and recognized through this my madness, you will come and we'll sort our differences differently in Biafra court. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mazi, Simon. Let's go to, we are rounding up now. Eze, thank God, you are next.
And just a last one, please. He said something that so that this nightmare will end. And indeed, that is actually the exact word to describe what I'm doing to Nigeria. I'm the Nigerian nightmare, the terrorist Nigerian nightmare. So he actually said the right word. So that's all.
All right. Thank you. So Eze, thank God, you're next.
Good evening, my PM, Simon Ekpa. Good evening, the co-hosts, all of you inside here. I greet everyone. Honestly, I came in to appreciate the good work my PM is doing. I am here in the hinterland of Biafra. I hear someone saying that Boy State is not is not sitting at home. That is lie. We are sitting at home here every Monday and every other day. As occasion Warat sit at home, we sit at home. It is only a foolish man that will say that Nnamdi Kanu has not tried or is not working for him or is not working for his freedom or cannot be aggressive seeing Nnamdi Kanu being kidnapped and detained illegally. Even the prominent, even the politicians, we know what they are doing us here. We know how much we are buying fuel, a liter of fuel now, 1,200 naira. Go to, even pure water now is, one sachet of pure water is 15 naira. 300 naira. We know the hardship we are in here. We know what the Nigerian government has cost all of us here. So whoever is talking otherwise is an agent. For me, is an agent to Nigerian government. Even the politician is advocating for Nnamdi Kanu release. Even as we see them as wicked as they are advocating for Nnamdi Kanu's release. So what about we? That we feel that we have been marginalized by those politicians who does not want us to preach. Because one politician like this will be packing money. You will see him with how many healer, with how many convoy. But you are not seeing, you are not feeding even a meal in the day. What are you just even saying here? I appreciate the hard work of our Prime Minister and the Biafra Republic government in exile. And we will look forward to the declaration of the restoration of Biafra, 2nd December, because the suffering is too much. Why they releasing Nnamdi Kanu for us? Why are they holding him there themselves? Why they releasing Nnamdi Kanu? So that everybody, if it is to divide the country, divide the country. If the country is too big for one man to rule, divide it. Let everybody go and solve the whole problem in his own region. What are they even talking, sir?
Thank you.
We here is very aggressive. I just came in to thank Prime Minister, the government, our Republic government in exile. Kudos to them. Let them carry on. Because the suffering is too much. We want them to release Nnamdi Kanu.
All right.
What are we going to market to do on Monday? If Nnamdi Kanu is there, and then Nnamdi Kanu is soliciting for our freedom. Yeah. And we know the marginalization they are in. How many people are killed in
the thank you. I'm sorry. We have to cut you short. We appreciate it.
Let me just comment on that. Thank you very much. And one thing everybody should understand is that Nigeria government have this kind of pattern of or system of propaganda that never worked. Even during Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they will tell you Abia State is not doing this. He is from Abia State, and there's nothing going on in Abia State. Only to just try to demoralize people using this propaganda. The same thing now, Ebonyi State. These are the people who say, I'm not an Igbo person. They'll come to tell you, Ebonyi State is not sitting at home. But look at people from Ebonyi State telling you the way it is, because they want to use that propaganda. Ebonyi is not observing it. The same thing they did to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Abia State is not observing it. Abia State is not doing this. So those kind of propaganda does not move us anymore. Thank you.
Mazi, do you want to continue or take a break? Because we have about 5 more people and then we round up.
Okay, just we can have maybe 2 minutes break.
Okay, all right.
And you see that I have added 15 minutes to you.
Yeah, I know. You did very well. Thank you.
Yeah, and I have another meeting. I have a meeting I have to attend, but I will stay here till 3 hours, 10 minutes.
Okay, all right.
So we have like 20 minutes to go.
Okay, so let's take a break, and then when we come back, we will finish up with people who are currently in the studio. Thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate all of you.
Come back, my wonderful people. I hope say you watch the video from beginning to end. I beg may you try to share so that other people go get the information and know as it they go. And do not forget also to drop your own opinion in a comment section. So what do you have to say to this Mr. Chidi?